Hey, kindleunlimtied.com here. Today we're going to be talking about the best gloves for using with your smartphone, touchscreen, or other smart device. They're gloves that you can actually put on and use your phone with simultaneously, which is awesome considering our high-tech lifestyles nowadays. Before I go any further, as always, we're going to have links in the description below to ensure that you get the best price on your glove purchase today or whatever you're shopping for. And be sure to check us out over at kindleunlimtied.com because we have basically every type of outdoor gear known to man, everything from gloves, hats, coats, hoodies, backpacks, and way, way more. And we have thousands of different kinds of gloves. Work gloves, tactical gloves, colorful gloves, rainbow gloves, half-fingered gloves, touchscreen gloves. We are your Glover world. Check us out today. So, let's get straight into this and what specific brands that I chose. So I'm actually going to have a separate review on these, but they actually make work gloves. This is a Costco brand, but I'll have a link in the description below. These are Holmes workwear. This came in a 2-pack. Used these, love these. My favorite ones for winter and even for like fall and spring. And I actually just bought a pair, which maybe you want to make this video, are these. The brand is called Head, but they have a thing called, it's called Sensatec, but really it's the stuff that they put on the tips of the fingers of the gloves to where it'll work on a smartphone. And to date, these and then the ones on our site at Chameleon that I think are called Wind Blockers are another great brand. I'll have them linked in the description below. But anything basically where there's like a little cloth bit on top of the finger, I'll zoom in. You can kind of see it right there. You just put this bad boy on. Okay? And it's very form-fitting. I like these gloves a lot. This is like the third or fourth pair I've bought of these. They should be paying me by now. But what can you do? Pretty awesome. It's very sensitive. I really like the touchscreen capability of these things. They're really good, really nice. And another benefit to these, I love this because sometimes gloves get separated. The Head brands, they have this little buckle on the side of the wrist. And you can just do it together, and now you'll never lose your pair of gloves or have them separated after the laundry or something. Pretty cool, innovative thing that they have there. I love them a lot. Sensatec touchscreen compatible. Silicone palm design provides superior grip. The grip on these is fantastic. It's almost like a checkered design. I really like them a lot. And stretch fleece engineered for maximum dexterity. I can attest to that. They're very well made. Now, this is the warm. It comes in 3 different types, warm, warmest, and, warm, warmer, and warmest, duh. This is the warm. This is the warmer version. This is like a little bit more fleece, but it still works. I think it's just the, let me see if I can get this here. This one's a little bit, or is it just the thumb on here? Yeah, I think it's just the thumb on this one. But still pretty good. Honestly, I prefer these track gloves the most because they're the most sensitive. And then these ski gloves, I'm not sure if they have the touch sensitivity, but the Head ski gloves are awesome. They even have like a little zipper pouch, which we also have gloves like this on kindleunlimtied.com. Be sure to check them out in the links in the description below. And you can put a little heat pouch in there. You can put a little accessory or maybe even a fire starter if you're going out skiing or something. Survival thing. It's got a buckle with a loop on it, so when you put it on your hand, you can actually pull this thing down and it keeps snow from getting in. Even for how thick they are, it's actually pretty. You can still do some pretty neat. You can still grab a ski pole or whatever. So that's pretty much all I have to say about these. I would highly recommend them. They're great for your touchscreen phone. They're great for being able to use your smart device while going on a jog or a run, but by far the best that I could find for Head are these, but I really like these. We have them on our site. They're called Windproof. Just type in Windproof. The reason I like these more is that they actually have it on 3 of the fingers for the glove itself. And I might actually do a test of those, but you know what? Yeah, I'm going to chime back in and use these. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So these wind stoppers are great. They have a little zipper thing. We have tons of gloves like this on kindleunlimtied.com. And the great thing is, I can even use my laptop in these, I think. Let me see if I can pop out of here. Yep, I can even use the touchpad on my... laptop. That's pretty sweet. But we have a ton of these things on kindleunlimtied.com. We got gloves. We've got outerwear. We've got name your price tools. We got a ton of stuff over on the site. Be sure to check us out. Very form-fitting. Great on a touchscreen display. You name it. Check us out. That's pretty much all I have to say about these. You use them. You put them on your hands. You can work them with your smartphone. Really innovative stuff. On that note, kindleunlimtied.com is out. Links in the description below. And as always, peace.